What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. I just switched Airbnbs yesterday, and the way that this desk is set up, this is my little energy drink. I can't have the camera facing me, so it's going to be on the side. If it bothers you too much, let me know in the comments. I know I'm just a little guy in the corner of the screen, and I'll try to make an adjustment, but we'll see how it is for the first video. So we're going to go over BTC. We're sitting at 22.6K, down 0.64 on the day. Same market of 518B, 24-hour volume 12.79 billion. So let's hop to the charts. So we're coming down to our pullback zone where we're following our analysis perfectly. So we're here on the 1 hour chart. It looks like a nice little ABC correction. I do think at least one more lower low is likely. If we start to come up and break the B wave high at about 27.1, 27.2, then we can see a straight breakout because we have met the minimum target for the wave 2 pullback, but I would expect at least one more lower low. You can see we have this nice little bear flag, which is a continuation pattern the majority of the time. So if we take a measurement of the flagpole to the top of the wave B, you can see it would take you perfectly down to the 61.8 retracement, which is quite normal for a wave 2. So that's what I'm expecting, at least a 50%, quite possibly the 61.8. And then worst case scenario, 78.6. If that starts to break, then potentially a lower low. But as of right now, I think there's a decent opportunity we'll bounce. Came right back to the 20 EMA as we were predicting, retesting the 20 at 26.5. So I do think we'll come a little bit lower or we'll bounce. So we start to get back above those daily EMAs. Strong signal of continuation to the upside, and that's when we'll be looking to take our long trade. DXY, I'm still expecting a turnaround. We have a 4-hour bearish divergence on the RSI, pushing into a large resistance zone as we've been covering on the channel. We may push a little bit higher to allow Bitcoin to finish the correction before putting in that wave B and allowing Bitcoin to bounce and see continuation to the upside. So once we start to enter this zone, if we see a reaction, I will look to take a long trade, and I'll give a signal in the Discord if we see a reaction. And it's $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. You can sign up to the Patreon link or sign up to BITUNIX for a 14-day free trial. No KYC, no VPN for all my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. And my subscribers only get a 20% deposit bonus to their futures account. $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000, $200, that's completely free money. And if you want direct access to my signals, it's $10 a month. Daily analysis on many coins, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. Forex signals. We just hit our first take profit on gold, and then we broke even on the rest of the trade. It went back to the entry and bounced, so we took another entry on gold. We're in a juicy silver trade. So when we're not trading crypto, we're trading Forex, or we're trading both, and it's $10 a month. You really can't beat that. You spend $10 every day, or sign up to BITUNIX for the 14-day free trial. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let me know how it is from this side angle, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.